Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to properly install iOS 27 Beta 1 on your device. Now the update is coming out this Monday, so about 3 days from now we will have the first dev beta of iOS 27, which looks like it will be an amazing update. So there are a few steps that you need to follow in order to make sure that you install it properly, for free, and of course without having to use a computer. Now before you try to install it, the first thing you want to make sure you have is the option to actually install a beta on your device. Now if you go to general and then you go to the software update page right here, when you go to the beta updates, you will have the options for dev beta and the public beta if of course a public beta is available. So right here, once it loads, just wait a second here. So what you need to do here once it loads is make sure you go to beta updates right here, and of course from here we'll need to choose the iOS 27 beta 1. But for a lot of people this section right here won't actually show at all. That's because you're doing something wrong, or there's something wrong on your device, and I had this problem previously. Now all you have to do on your device, if you have either the feedback app from Apple or the Apple support Apple, open one of those apps, and what you need to do is make sure that you're signed in the app. So you tap right there, either the feedback or the support app. One of them needs to be signed in order for this to show up right here. I don't know why, but it works. As I said, I had this problem back with iOS 18, I believe. I couldn't install it, couldn't get the beta updates right here. But then I just found out that you need to actually be signed in there in order for these to show. Now, of course, once these show, you can just go ahead and select the iOS 27 Beta 1, and then the update will show right here. Now, of course, you have to keep in mind that you will need probably a ton of storage, most likely at least 20 gigabytes of free storage before you try to install iOS 27 Beta 1 on your device. What else you need, of course, if you just want to install it right away, make sure that your iPhone is charged over 50%. And as always, make sure that you do a backup of your device before you try to install iOS 27 Beta 1. Most likely it will be very smooth, nothing will go wrong, but just in case, make sure you have a backup of all of your data. So that is it for this video, guys. This is how easy you can go ahead and install iOS 27 Beta 1 once it's out on Monday, June the 8th. 3 days from now, we will see the first dev beta, and it looks like it will be a very exciting update. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.